Chiliz value equivalent to 2.0526 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.0255 to 2.0817. The earlier day close, 2.0305. The change was plus 0.0221, plus 1.09%. Reverse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. In multi-week Chiliz figure on Monday, May 22, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.74 rands, high 1.86, low 1.62. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.76 rands, high 1.88, low 1.64. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 26, cost 1.76 rands, high 1.88, low 1.64. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 1.80 rands, high 1.93, low 1.67. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.78 rands, high 1.90, low 1.66. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.81 rands, high 1.94, low 1.68. Chiliz figure on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.81 rands, high 1.94, low 1.68. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 1.82 rands, high 1.95, low 1.69. In 3 weeks Chiliz gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 1.81 rands, high 1.94, low 1.68. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.81 rands, high 1.94, low 1.68. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.79 rands, high 1.92, low 1.66. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.86 rands, high 1.99, low 1.73. Chiliz gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 1.93 rands, high 2.07, low 1.79. In about a month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 1.89 rands, high 2.02, low 1.76. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.90 rands, high 2.03, low 1.77. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.31 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.84, while low cost 1.62. The found the middle value of cost 2.15. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.81, change for May 21.6%. Chiliz estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.07, while low cost 1.49. The found the middle value of cost 1.74. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.60, change for June 11.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.85, while low cost 1.60. The found the middle value of cost 1.70. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.73, change for July 8.1%. Chiliz conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.73 rands. Excessive cost 1.73, while low cost 1.43. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.61. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.54, change for August 11.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.54 rands. Excessive cost 1.71, while low cost 1.49. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.59. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.60, change for September 3.9%. Chiliz conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.60 rands. Excessive cost 1.99, while low cost 1.60. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.76. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.86. Change for October 16.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1.86 rands. Excessive cost 1.86, while low cost 1.45. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.68. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.56. Change for November 16.1%. Chiliz conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.56 rands. Excessive cost 1.56, while low cost 1.22. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.41. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.31. Change for December 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.31 rands. Excessive cost 1.33, while low cost 1.15. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.26. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.24. Change for January 5.3%. Chiliz conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.24 rands. Excessive cost 1.52, while low cost 1.24. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.36. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.42. Change for February 14.5%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 1.42 rands. Excessive cost 1.77, while low cost 1.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.57. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.65. Change for spring 16.2%. Chiliz figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 1.65 rands. Excessive cost 2.04, while low cost 1.65. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.81. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.91. Change for April 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 1.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.91, while low cost 1.49. The found the middle value of cost 1.73. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.60. Change for May 16.2%. ZAR to CHZ swapping scale equivalent to 0.4872 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4804-0.4937. The earlier days nearby 0.4925. Change for now 0.0053, 1.08%. ZAR to CHZ cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 0.493 coins, high 0.529, low 0.461. ZAR to CHZ forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost